You should already know as a JAM candidate that this book, Lekki Headmaster, is the main book we are reading this year for JAM. I am repeating this because some of you are still reading The Life Changer. If you have not read this book, or if you have not even gotten this book, I want you to pay attention to this very short video. This is just a reminder that Lekki Headmaster is the book, and if you have not started reading this book, or if you have not gotten access to it, or if you have been looking on how to get it, I will share with you how to get it. But then, before I tell you how to get Lekki Headmaster, the important thing for you to remember is this. In our channel, Noble Tutorials, I've been reading the book for you. We have done chapter by chapter review. We have done chapter by chapter review of this book, Lekki Headmaster. I brought out time and I read chapter 1 for you and reviewed it. I read chapter 2 for you and I reviewed it. I read chapter 3. It's about 12 chapters. Of course, you should know that the book is talking about Beppo, Adewale Adebepo, who is the principal of a secondary school in a place called Lekki in Lagos State, right? So I've been doing reviews of the book. If you have not gotten this book and you are looking for how to get it, or perhaps you want me to send it to you, or you have any need regarding the book, please do let me know. Do let me know. In our channel, too, one of the things we have done for you, because we realize that this book is a must for you. This book is a must, and because it's new, some of you don't know. So if you don't have the time to even read the book, what you need to do is go over to our channel, Noble Tutorials. If you want me to give you the link, I can give it to you, and watch all the videos we have done on this book. Besides reading this book for you, chapter by chapter, the 12 chapters for you. Of course, the book is set in a school environment in Lekki, Lagos. It's quite a simple book, 64 pages with 12 chapters. So that's why it was easy for us to read it for you. But then, besides reading this book for you, one of the things I have done for you, or we have done for you in the channel, is to give you expo questions from the book. Jamb often repeats questions. Jamb will set questions from that book, and the questions will not fall from the moon. They are still the same concepts that are in the book. So I've done series of videos on expo questions. We're actually looking at 195 possible questions that Jamb could select from and ask you from this book, Lekki Headmaster. So if you go over to our channel, you will see it. If you go to Noble Tutorials, go to our playlist, click on playlist, then you see Lekki Headmaster. You will see all the videos we have done, and we are still doing more for you, right? So this very book is extremely important. I wouldn't want you to joke with it. Our goal in our channel, Noble Tutorials, is to ensure that you get into the exam hall prepared. Some people failed, millions failed JAMB last year, and we are serious about ensuring that everybody connected to our channel here on YouTube scores at least 300 and above in JAMB. Do you claim it? Do you believe it? If you believe it, let me know. Now, if you have not gotten this book and you want to get it, please tell me. Let me know. It is not free, oh. It is not free, but you can get it through me. If you don't know your JAMB CBT centers, computer-based centers, the approved one in your state, if you don't know them, let me know so that I can send you the PDF. Then if you want me to send you syllabus on use of English and the other 3 subjects we'll be writing, that one is free. I can send it to you. If you also want me to guide you on how to draft a personal reading timetable, let me know. I will also give you free JAMB past questions in the 4 subjects we'll be writing. For you to get all these things, join our YouTube channel, then like this video, share this particular video you are watching, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you subscribe, come under the comment of this video and type I have subscribed. Type what? I have subscribed. Type what? I have subscribed. Once I see you type I have subscribed, I will chat you up and will guide you and send you all the materials you need, the syllabus, the past questions, and this book plus other materials. There's a video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Click on it and watch.